Having to bury two of my family members of the last year and this being covered, when we came here, it was dreary. Having all this around, like, man, we need to clean this up and we need to do this, and not being able to see it, and it wasn't kind of what we wanted it to be. This building been around since the early 1800s, and this school used to serve in this community as a concert hall, a school, of course, a church. It was a lot of things to those people. It's a family church, and most of the people that go here are my aunts, my uncles, some of which attended this school 80 years ago. They were so close to having this thing built up and restored that at that last moment, he just took it away from us. When it did burn down, they got that call and they had to come here and watch it burn. It was just sadness and anger. The carnage from what he done still doesn't take away from the architectural beauty. What he done could not even take down these pillars. And I think that's real important, because these pillars mean if that can still stand after all this, we still can move forward. The day that John called me was the last day that I spoke to my father before he passed of COVID. My daddy used to always tell me that you gotta continue on, you gotta keep going, you gotta keep moving. So that significance of that last day that I talked to him, and John calling me and telling me this was gonna be the day I showed up, made it that much importance to keep pushing on for this thing and for my father. They're gonna be able to finally have some closure on this continuation of the property being restored to its rightful place. We did something in the midst of all this pain that was going on. It's a sight. It's a sight to see.